with 4 eggs and 1 added critter. So let's get right into the video. Also, I would like to tell you that I have 3 little surprises at the end of the video, so stay to watch and learn more. Alright, so let's begin. This is a cute little box, isn't it? This is a new season. These are the Hatchimals collectibles Hatch Bright season, which is season 4. Okay. Sorry if the angle is kind of bad. I do not have my camera stand with me right now. Bear with me as I try to open this from a different angle. Almost there. Alright, now I just need to peel off the cardboard in the back. Alright, the opening was a little bit messy, but we're not here for having perfectly opened boxes. We are here for the toys. Alright, so here's the little toy. I just got rid of the little top. Okay. When I always open little toys like this, I love looking at the checklist first. So let's see that. Okay, the lighting is kind of bad right now. Okay, it's alright. As you can see, there are a lot of Hatchimals in here. We're not going to go through each one right now. Oh, and there's a little map on the back. That's so cute. Oh, and there's the spots on it. Okay, I really want to get something from number 1, which is Cloud Cove. Ooh, kind of reminds me of Cloudsdale for My Little Pony. Alright, this looks not that bad. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, first I want to start out with the little critter that is not in the egg. So let me just take that out real quick. Oof, popped it. Okay, I have noticed that they have a little hole on the bottom now. It's transparent. Clear means it's completely clear. Like you can see right through it. Transparent is semi-clear. Same thing with translucent. Little wings on the back. The signature thing of Hatchimals. Okay, now let me see who this little guy might be. Looking at the checklist. I need that little guy in front of me. Doo, doo, doo. Okay, found him. He's right up here. Right here. His name is Caterpiper. I'll let it focus. Caterpiper. And the silver wings, does it say what the silver wings mean? Oh yes, it's a common. So this is Caterpiper. It's adorable. Let's put this little guy off to the side then and move on to the eggs. I haven't opened up Hatchimals in so long. I'm just gonna pop this out. I'm gonna pop out. It's a tough one. Whoop. Yeah, okay. It almost rolled off the table. Still good. Okay. Now that we have these little eggs, they look so pretty. Look at them. They kind of look like dragon eggs. You can already hear the little rattling of the Hatchimal inside. Okay. Okay. Let's move little Caterpiper out of the way. You can stand right there. Oh, in the comment section, do you mind telling me what this little hole in the back of the head, on the front or top of the head is for? This little hole on the top and the one on their underside. I don't know what it's for. I know they don't come with any little accessories, as far as I know. Let's skip onto the eggs. Okay, if I do remember well, we have to rub-a-dub-dub the little heart I really hope I'm doing this right. I haven't done this in such a... Oh, I just popped right into it without having to rub it. Okay. So I'm just going to tear open the little cute, tiny, adorable, very tough egg. I don't think I did this right. Just going to peel away the excess. Okay, and I already see that this is going to be adorable. This guy's so little cute. I do imagine he's like a little fox. And he's holding a little flower. Looks like the flower came out of a pond. Now let's see who this little cute guy is. Okay. By looking at him, I think he might be... Ooh, this is a toughie. Oh, I think I spotted it. This should be him. Yes, the wings are purple. So this is, let it focus. This is Boomin' Swatter. That doesn't really give me much of an idea of what critter this might be. So, Boomin' Swatter. Come on, little Boomin' Swatter. You can sit next to Caterpiper, right over here. And move your residue eggshells off to the side. Okay. Moving on to our next egg. Didn't even wait to rub it, did I? Okay, I think it's already going to be a zebra. I see a little zebra. Oh! I'm really bad at these. I need to try something else. Okay. Let me peel off the excess. It's a big chunk of shell right there. Look at that. Okay. It's a little translucent zebra. Oh, he has a little hole in his stomach. Look at that. You see that? It's a little tiny hole. And then he has the silver wings. And then the little hole on its underside. Okay. Now let's find out who this little guy is. A little pink transparent zebra. Oh, found it. This is ZBrush. That little guy right there. That's ZBrush. Right here. So cute. Okay, next egg. Rub-a-dub. I do not remember if we're supposed to rub them anymore. I haven't opened these in such a long time, as I already said. Oh, yes. Wait, what? Let me read the instructions. It says hold. Oh, hold it. Hatch it. Okay. I'm just gonna do this my way. I'm sorry, guys. Kind of confused. They kind of changed the instructions on making this. I'm really bad at this, as I already said before. Okay, I'll fight with that later. So I'm guessing this is like this is not a porcupine, that's for sure. So this could be a lion or a very weird hedgehog, but I'm guessing it's a hedgehog. I'm guessing it's a hedgehog because it fits into a flower. But let's find out. So far, oh, there he is. He is from the Radiant Reef. Cute. He is Radiant Larial. Oh, and I forgot to mention Booming Swatter is a ultra rare, and our little ZBrush was a common. And this little guy is just a rare. Okay, I'll move our little radiant Lyrial. And the last egg of the day. Okay. I'm just gonna hold it like it says in the instructions. And then I'm gonna pop it. There it is. Oof. Oh, we still have the 3 surprises at the end of the video. What do you think it is? If you maybe saw in the reflection of the packaging, you may have seen what it was. A little vivid description. And we have this little common, I can already tell by the wings. It looks like a purple koala. Another hole in its stomach. Oh, they all have holes in, oh, these 3 have holes in their stomachs. Let's find out who this guy is. A purple koala. Oh, found him. Here. His name is Coco. Coco. That's cute. All right, now let's move on to our 3 surprises. I am just going to let my OCD win over me so I can put these little guys back in their shells. I'm practically stabbing my fingers right now, removing the shells. This is kind of a dangerous toy for people like me. Okay. Oh, sorry, Coco. All right. Ooh, happy late Easter, everybody. You'll be expecting more eggs later on in more videos. I just have these little eggs laying around with cute fun surprises. So let's see what's inside. Start with blind eyes. Okay, orange. Some of these guys out of the way. This orange egg. Very cute. It's a little squishy white cat, stretchy, foldable, sticky, stretchy. Super cute. Next, yellow. Oh wow, I can't tell if this is a skunk or a cow. Comment down below what you think it is. I'm just gonna call it a scow. If anybody actually knows what type of animal this is, please tell me, because I have no clue. Okay, and lastly, we have a pink egg that matches semi-perfectly with my nails. So, pop, open, cat paw. I love these kinds of things because my cat never lets me squish her paws. I don't think anybody can really squish their cat's paws. So it's kind of sticky too. So that's the end of the video, guys. Please like this video, click subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss another video. Last little kitten stretch, and then Caterpillar will come say goodbye.